How to activate Facebook dating. So you're gonna need to use the official mobile app for Facebook, since dating is not a separate app and usually don't appear on desktop. So before starting, make sure you are 18 plus and your Facebook account is in good standing, with at least being 30 days old, and you live in a country or region where Facebook dating is available. And related to that, Meta does say that dating also needs location services to suggest matches based on your distance preferences. But anyways, once you have that in mind, you can go ahead to the dating option. It should appear in one of your options, or you could just go ahead into the menu and go to dating, but just go ahead and press on get started. And from here, you're basically just gonna build your dating profile. So in our case, we're gonna put in whatever we'd like, but just go ahead and put in everything else. Do you have children? You can skip some questions. Once that's all done, all there's needed is to just take a look at the rules so you don't get banned or lose your access to dating. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.